Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Amber. I'm known as Makeup Diva Amber. I'm a beauty blogger and influencer. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my skincare routine and my makeup routine. And take my spoolie brush and I'm going to go ahead and brush out my brows with the spoolie brush, making sure that it's all going in one direction. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply on the throwing shade and just go ahead and go below the brow line, follow each and every of it, and then go on the top part, go across, making sure that I fill it in nice and evenly, following and outlining my brow. Then I'm going to go ahead and start filling it in. As you can gently see that I am filling it in nice and gently, making sure it looks natural as possible, and just going ahead and I'm continuing to make sure that I fill it in and making sure that it's also natural at the same time. Right now it looks a little like I put a lot on, but I'm still going to be blending it and smoothing it out. This is my first time using Billion Dollar Brows and it's already amazing so far, so that I can say. And I'm going to continue on and keep on adding on to the brow, and then I'm going to go ahead and still make sure that I actually follow the brow line as I already outlined already. Once you pretty much follow your outline of your brow, it's pretty much very easy to do. It's not something that's very hard. It's really a nice process and I really enjoy doing this. And this is really the most effective way of getting your eyebrows to be really nice and neat. Now I'm going to take the pointy part again and I'm going to go ahead and add some more throwing shade, following the outline of my eyebrows. And I'm actually doing the bottom part of it. That's usually like where I like to start at, because I'm really able to get a precise eyebrow. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the top. Just go ahead and fill in the outline on the top part of the brow. Make sure that I continue to follow the outline of my natural brow line, making sure that I don't apply too much of the product, because you don't want it to have like a really thick looking eyebrow effect. You want to make sure that it's nice and natural and even. This is one thing that I do to get my brows really straight. And this, however, is my first time using Billion Dollar Brows. It is a little thicker because it's more of like an ink type of paste type of thing. So, which is really amazing. But I heard so many good reviews about this. We're going to go ahead and we're going to still continue to follow the outline. And I'm just actually just kind of blending it in right now, because I like my eyebrows to have that natural effect to it and the natural look to it. So it's very important to kind of blend everything in. Now I'm going to be going ahead and taking the sharp part of the applicator and apply on my Pro Concealer. And as you can see, I went a little bit closer up so that way you guys can actually see the process of making sure that I use the concealer underneath cleaning my eyebrows. And I have to make sure that I follow the outline the same way that I would actually apply on the eyebrow dip. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to follow the outline of my eyebrows, making sure that it's really nice and even. Because when you have on your eyebrows and when you're cleaning your brows out, this is a perfect way to keep from going to get your eyebrows done from the salon. I haven't had my eyebrows done in like possibly a year and a half. So this is my method of really cleaning the brows and making sure that it's nice and natural and even though it's more product, you would say. But however, this is a way to keep away from going to the eyebrow salon unless it's like really a need. Once I mastered this method, I haven't even been to the eyebrow salon since. And it's really easy. All you got to do is follow the outline on the bottom and the top. And then you want to make sure that you go ahead and you blend everything in. And then I'm going to continue on with the concealer to make sure that everything is nice and even. Then I like to take my spoolie brush and go ahead and brush the hairs in the direction of my natural eyebrow line. And then I want to go ahead and continue to take the concealer to go along the eyebrow line again, just to make sure that I didn't leave any areas where there's any hair or anything that's not into the right place. Because when you do this, you want to make sure that it's neat. Now I'm going to go ahead across the forehead and connect it. This is the method to really get your eyebrows really nice and aligned and very neat and easy. This is really beginner friendly and it's very good even for people that just want to go ahead and just have the quick, natural, neat eyebrows that look natural. This is definitely the way to go. And I cannot stress the fact that this is a natural way to do your eyebrows. It's completely natural and I just love it. Notice how I said natural so many times. Naturals is amazing. So now that you got the mastering of the concealer and the way everything is supposed to be. Now we're going to go ahead onto the next to follow the outline of the brow, and just making sure that you kind of make like, you know, a connection from the other brow to the other side. As I'm doing there, I'm actually just cleaning it up, and I'm actually following along the outline. I'm not going outside of the outline of what I already did, because you want to make sure that it's nice and neat, and you want to make sure that when you apply it on your foundation that you're not actually getting it on the eyebrows. Is very important. So as you can see, I just went ahead and I grabbed this applicator because I was just like, you know what, this is what I have that's ready right in my face. I'm going to use this and I'm going to try this. This is my first time using it. However, this is not what I recommend to use. I recommend to getting a brush that actually has the same tip. Then I'm going to be going ahead and just continuing on to outline my eyebrows just to make sure that's nice and even. Now I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and my Maybelline Super Stay foundation. Let's make sure that it's really nice and even. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the sponge and making sure that everything is dapped on there really well with the foundation, and continuing on. Actual foundation. This foundation is really good. It comes in a lot of multiple shades. Maybelline has so many different shades, but you can, however, use your own favorite foundation. This is the one that I like to use because I know that it's going to cover everything. It's going to cover every flaws that I have on my face, and this is definitely the one that I really, really enjoy. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and continue on with the foundation, making sure that it's really nice and blended. Blending is very important, guys. You got to make sure that y'all have y'all blending. Otherwise, it's just not going to look too great. As you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm continuing to dab all of it on there. I'm making sure that it's really nice and even. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my finishing powder from CARRON Cosmetics. I'll be leaving the description down below where you can purchase all these products. Taking my multi-purpose brush. This is actually a really nice multi-purpose brush from Walmart. It's really, really amazing, and you guys definitely have to check it out. Then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Precise liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start off by making the eyeline. As you can see, I'm going to start off by making that one little wing on the outer part of the line, going ahead tracing my actual eyelid, and just making sure that I follow it really nice and even. And that's why they call it Precise liquid eyeliner, because it's really good. As you can see, now I'm going to go ahead and make another little line underneath it, and I'm going to go ahead and continue to make on that other line underneath, and just really follow the outline of the eyeliner that I already started. And I'm going to make sure that I really have it on there really nice and neat, going in an outward, inward direction. As you guys can see, there is the final look. Well, almost the final look. Just wanted you guys to kind of master that step. So I'm making that line, going at kind of making like a triangle, back in again, inward and outward, and there you go. There is the nice neat wing eyeliner look. And with this Maybelline Master Precision liquid eyeliner pencil, you're going to go ahead and really follow the outline of your natural eyeline. As you can see, this Maybelline Master Precision liquid eyeliner is really good for beginners. I, however, is not a beginner. I'm a beauty blogger and I used to work for Lancome. And as you can see, that I already know about how to do the eyeliner, and I just wanted to let you guys know that this is really an easy way for beginners to use. So I highly recommend this if you're really trying to master that wing eyeliner look. And it's really simple with the Maybelline Precision liquid eyeliner, because you could actually go in and actually do it really nice and neat. And that's what I love about this eyeliner. It's really, really amazing. As you can see, everything is finally finished. Not quite with the eyeliner, because sometimes I like to go ahead and I like to make sure that I go over it a little bit just to give it a little bit more of a definition, more of like a bold look, which I really, really love about this, and it's completely amazing. As you can see, I'm taking the eyeliner, going inward and outward motion, and there you go. Nice, even black eyeliner, which is so amazing. I absolutely love it, and it's really nice, as you can see. Yes, so now we're going to be moving on, which is the CoverGirl Mascara Flourish by Lash Blast, which is really an amazing mascara. it actually go ahead and it makes sure that it gets every little hair up and curled, and that's what I like about it. Now I'm going to be taking my Oowie Beauty We collection, which is a really nice matte liquid lipstick. I'll definitely be leaving the description down below so that way you guys know where to buy it from. It's really amazing. This is a really nice rosy matte liquid color, and it's actually in Yum. This is one of my favorites as well. It gives me a nice natural look, and there you go. Now I'm going to be taking my arch. This is my eyebrow definition. I'll be leaving a description down below on what I use. This helps to really make the eyebrows pop and really give it a nice shape, really nice outline. And I like to take some of my fingers and also go ahead and I like to dab in a little bit more just to give it that nice even natural look. And there you are. You are complete. Nice eyebrows, flawless skin. Everything is nice and neat. Added a little nice rosy pop liquid matte. And there you go. You have it all complete. Now we're going to be getting on to my actual skincare routine. Don't you just love it? It's a nice natural look. This was so simple, guys. And like I said, I'll be leaving the description down below of all the products that I used in this video so that way you guys can go ahead and purchase it. And this is a really nice complete look. As you can see, it's nice and natural. Now I'm going to be getting onto my skincare routine. I'm taking my tea tree makeup remover wipes, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using my Estala skincare rejuvenate skincare line, and this is the biopetides cream. And I'm just going to start off by rubbing everything on my cheek area, making sure that it's really nice and absorbed. And as you can see, I already used the makeup wipe just to take off the excess amount of makeup. So my face is already clean. Now, what I like to do is to use a nice cleanser, which is really nice. It's a toning cleanser from Estala, which is really amazing. You definitely have to check it out. Then I'm just going to be going ahead, massaging that cream into my face, making sure that it's really nice and even, and just really making sure that it absorbs in there. And now as you can see, it's nice and absorbed, looks nice and moisturized. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the neck and go with an inward and outward motion just to make sure that all of the lotion is on my neck and is really nice and moisturized. Now I'm going to be taking my Estala. This is actually one of my luminescent cream. I'm going to be taking that and rubbing everything in, doing the same thing. This really helps to get rid of the dark spots and the acne marks that you may have on your skin. It really helps to brighten your skin tone, nice and even. And as you can see, that's really rubbed in really good. Then I'm going to be taking my revitalizing eye cream, eye serum, and I'm going to go ahead and actually put that on underneath my eyes. And as you can see, it really helps to give my skin a really nice glow. And that's it for today, guys. That is my makeup routine and that is my skincare routine. Don't forget to leave your comments below. Also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Keep slaying.